go. If you've got a hand and a fist, you're indestructible.
I got me a regular Ben Hur down here, doing 95 minimum. Need any help, JW? Hell no! You picked the wrong parish to haul ass. Nobody cuts and runs on Chef J.W. Pepper.
Police officers are right behind them, but as with any chase, they're keeping a safe distance to avoid any accidents here out on the highway.
Slow down. Oh shit, he's gonna fucking... Hey guys, we're fucked.
Yeah mate, that's a stop sign. If you know what that is, means you come to a complete fucking stop.
You don't fit in clown shoes. They tell you be yourself and then they judge you on the internet till everybody hates you for it. If Jesus was alive, I swear to God that I would cancel him, because lately being negative's the real new normal. Yeah, if you're thick, you're fat, you're rich, you're bad, you're poor, you're fat, you're white, you're whack, they lie, it's facts. My generation needs a bunch of free condoms.
Get off my fucking ass! Prick! Fuck you, cunt! Asshole!
645 DX9. Look at him fucking prick.
Sydney, you know, if anybody who lives in Sydney, they're used to living on top of each other. They don't give a shit about coronavirus anymore. There's just
sorry, that
more,
was my... Jesus
that's
Christ!
Right.
I can't believe what I just seen. Fucking bloke in a four-wheel drive wants to turn left at Lookout Road, but he's in the right turn only lane, so he just fucking comes roaring across, causes the bloke in the station wagon to hit the brakes, and I nearly ran up his arse. That was what you could hear was my crash warning.
Bloody four drive. Probably also a tradie.
No, it wasn't a tradie actually. It's a the number plate's Kim. So I'd say
yeah, some entitled fuckwit.
Yes. Yeah, so anyway, it's fucking Kim 281 I think. But anyway, fucking hell. I was thinking, what the fuck's going on?
I put in a
It's on.
EPA report on the weekend, Saturday. Somebody chucking a cigarette butt out the window.
Oh, there's an argument going on now. Sorry. Oh, good on you.
Yeah, I was just taking Jacob down to Taboot Bay.
What a fucking numbnut you are, you stupid fucking what? Fuck that. You.
That probably is.
Primary poison of all of our brains. We can think that we need to be slave and we worship it every day and in every way. We becoming the robot that gave. You put a knife in my hands for. What else should I carry for you? I care for you, but brother Tristan, you wanna be
Over to the lane and you still continue to get going.
Yeah. Jesus Christ. What the fuck?
You got my horn sounds now?
Yeah.
Well, you could probably just walk back up it, but that's when the tracks start to crisscross, they go back and forth really close. That means it's fucking steep. Has to be steep. But I can see the contours anyway. I'm just trying to look at how much drop it. When the tracks start to crisscross, they go back and forth really close. That means it's fucking steep. Has to be steep. But I can see the contours anyway. I'm just trying to look at how much drop it is on the contours.
Frequently to Europe to visit family, but his wife gave evidence that he only had 3 or 4 relatives there in the 1990s.
Massive tree come down across the road between Taree and Foster.
14 children
with the
on his mother's
resultant
side, to
traffic
his
build
aunties
up,
and uncles,
as you can see,
and that he had
back.
2.
Reaction to all the adversity this season has been to cheer the team through every game, from first to last, barring maybe 2. Villa.
This in a while, but boy, oh boy, Peter, it's time for the shitbag titty fuck of the week, or maybe of the year. It's this.
Use the right 2 lanes to turn right onto Penrose Street. In 900 meters, turn right onto
Jesus!
No. Oh my god. Oh, dumbass. Oh. Fuck you! Fuck you!
Still in here.
Fuck. Hey. Dickhead. Might want to pay. Fucking idiot. Why would you open your fucking door into traffic?
Where are you going? This was love. Fuckwit. You're a fuckwit.
Jesus fucking Christ.
You fucking asshole.